Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC if you haven't visited before, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out here in downtown Kansas City. As you can see, we have started the removal process of the existing cinder block that was placed in front of the stone foundation. Now we're going to continue that throughout today to get the rest of this pulled down. And then, like we said in Friday's video when we started this project, we are going to see if we can do one of our stone foundation renovation projects. We'll probably have to get quite a bit of new stone just to fill in. You can see, I don't know how well you can see in the video, but in person you can see some clear gaps that would need to be filled in. It doesn't look like something that would be too difficult for us to do. So that's going to be our main goal, to get that stone foundation renovation done. If we need to, once we get the rest of this pulled down, because again, we haven't seen what the condition of the stone foundation looks like behind this portion. If we need to, we'll get a bulkhead wall poured using high-strength concrete. It's just going to be a lot more structurally sound than what these cinder block walls were put up for. So, yeah, at least as of right now, we're going to continue getting the cinder blocks pulled out, and if we can do the stone foundation renovation, we should be able to easily roll right into that on Wednesday, if not later in the day tomorrow. So that is the main scope of work down here inside this part of the little cellar here. In this area, we're going to get the floor cleaned up. We're going to re-pour some sections that are damaged, like so. And then obviously we'll continue the renovation process throughout this area. We're also going to do some touch-up work on the entryway here. Mostly just the walls that need to be cleaned up, but we'll get everything smoothed out again with the stone foundation renovation stuff. There's a couple areas on the stairs we will get patched, but other than that, should just be the walls for this area. So yeah, just stay tuned for more updates while we continue the project out here in Kansas City. This is day 2. Again, you can find those videos and pictures from all our current and past projects, including this one, on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Again, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, leave a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.